Hi guys, yeah, we are busy conducting audits again today. So within the next few minutes we will be visiting the workers' living areas. Please make sure that you do comply to the standards regarding workers' living areas. If you are unsure what to do, please don't hesitate, call me, Esti Kotse, so that I can give you guidance. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye. I need to give you some tips regarding your notice boards for your audits. Please make sure that there are no outdated documents on any of your notice boards. If we do come across them on the day of the audit, it will result in an NCR for you. If you are unsure what to do for notice boards, please don't hesitate. Contact me, Esti Kotse. I will give you guidance. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye. Wanneer dit kom by die waterbronne op jou plaas, is dit natuurlik 'n vereiste dat jy die nodige veiligheidstekens by alle waterbronne sal aanbring. As jy onseker is wat om te doen, neem asseblief vrymoedigheid, skakel my, ek sal jou met die grootste liefde help. Geniet jou dag verder. Esti Kotse.